Your front door is more than just an entryway, it's the first line of defense for your home and family. If your current door is outdated, damaged, or poorly fitted, it may be putting your household at risk without you even realizing it. Upgrading to replacement doors in Metairie is one of the most effective ways to strengthen your home's security while also enhancing comfort and curb appeal. Here's how a new door can make a real difference. Stronger materials for stronger protection. Many older doors are made from thin wood or hollow core materials that simply aren't built to withstand force. Over time, weather exposure in Metairie's humid climate can cause warping, cracking, or weakening around the frame. Even small structural issues can make forced entry easier. Modern replacement doors are designed with security in mind. Steel and fiberglass options offer superior strength and durability compared to traditional wood doors. Reinforced cores, impact-resistant construction, and advanced manufacturing techniques create a solid barrier between your home and the outside world. When someone attempts to force entry, a high-quality replacement door provides significantly more resistance. Advanced locking systems. Upgrading your door also means upgrading your locking system. Many older doors are paired with basic lock sets that don't meet today's security standards. New replacement doors can be fitted with heavy-duty deadbolts, multi-point locking systems, and smart lock technology. Multi-point locks secure the door at several locations along the frame instead of just one central deadbolt. This makes it much harder for intruders to kick in or pry open the door. Smart locks add another layer of protection by allowing you to monitor and control access remotely. You can lock or unlock your door from your phone, receive alerts when someone enters, and even assign temporary access codes for guests or service providers. Reinforced door frames and hardware. A door is only as strong as its frame. In many break-ins, it's actually the door frame or strike plate that fails, not the door slab itself. Professional installation of replacement doors in Metairie often includes reinforcing the frame and upgrading the strike plate with longer screws and stronger materials. These reinforcements anchor the door more securely into the surrounding wall structure. When force is applied, the impact is distributed more effectively, reducing the likelihood of the frame splintering or separating. This added structural integrity provides peace of mind, especially during severe weather events common in the Gulf Coast region. Better fit means better security. Gaps around your door may seem like a minor issue, but they can compromise both security and energy efficiency. A door that doesn't close tightly can be easier to pry open. It can also allow moisture, drafts, and pests into your home. New replacement doors are custom measured to ensure a precise fit. Proper alignment and sealing eliminate weak points around the edges. Not only does this make forced entry more difficult, but it also improves insulation and indoor comfort. Impact-resistant glass options. If your door includes glass panels, modern designs offer safer alternatives to traditional glass. Impact-resistant and laminated glass options are much harder to break. Even if shattered, the glass is designed to stay adhered to a protective layer rather than breaking into large, dangerous shards. For homeowners in Metairie, this is especially important during hurricane season. Impact-rated glass provides both security protection and storm resistance, helping safeguard your home against multiple threats. Increased visibility and lighting. Security isn't just about strength, it's also about visibility. Replacement doors can incorporate sidelights or decorative glass that allows more natural light inside without compromising safety. With options like frosted or textured impact glass, you can maintain privacy while improving sightlines around your entryway. Better lighting inside and outside your home can deter potential intruders, who typically prefer dark, concealed areas. Peace of mind for your family. Ultimately, upgrading to replacement doors in Metairie is about protecting what matters most. A secure, properly installed door makes your home less vulnerable and sends a clear message that your property is well maintained and protected. Beyond security, you'll enjoy improved energy efficiency, smoother operation, and enhanced curb appeal. But perhaps most importantly, you'll gain confidence knowing your entryway is built to stand strong, day and night. If your current doors are showing signs of wear, sticking, cracking, or loosening around the frame, it may be time to consider an upgrade. Investing in a modern replacement door is a practical step toward a safer, more secure home.